Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Sandip Techfeed, and today our topic is how to add Grammarly in WordPress. So in this video I will show you how to add Grammarly in your browser so that you can use this software while writing content in WordPress. So before going deep into the tutorial, I'll just request you to subscribe to our channel, like and share the video, and hit the bell icon so that you get latest notifications. So friends, let's start. So friends, the first thing that I would like to tell you is that Grammarly is compatible with all the browsers. So it can be Chrome, it can be Firefox or Internet Explorer. So in all of these browsers, you can use Grammarly. In this case, I'll be showing how to log in to Grammarly on the Chrome browser and to download the Grammarly extension for Chrome. So first my step will be to search for Grammarly. So ignore the ad, click on this URL. This will take you to the login page. Click on login. Here are all the options, like you can log in through Google, Facebook or Apple. For my case, I will log in through my Gmail ID. So I am logged in to my Grammarly account. My next step will be to install the Grammarly extension for Google Chrome. So here it is, Grammarly for Google Chrome. Just add it to Chrome, then add extension. Now the extension will start getting downloaded and get automatically pinned up in your browser. It is the same process for any kind of browser that you are using, whether it's Firefox or whether you are using Internet Explorer. On any kind of browser, you can simply download the extension like this and pin it over there. So the next step follows is just to click on next, next, and you are done. Okay, you are all set. So the idea of logging to the Grammarly account first is because even if you download the extension and pin it to your internet browser, when you are using or you want to use Grammarly while writing on WordPress or Google Docs or your Microsoft Word, so there, if you are looking for the Grammarly, suggestions, then Grammarly will look for a login. So you have to again go to the login page and log in there, and then you can start using the Grammarly features while writing your content. So if you log in first, then you do not have to go back to your Grammarly login once again while you are writing your content. So this is the idea behind logging to your Grammarly account first and then install the extension. So now what I will do is I will go to my blog, which is Enchantrixto, and I will see whether this extension is helping me to find suggestions for grammar issues in my content. So here is my blog, Enchantrixto. Let me visit the website. I'll just pick any of my blogs. Let's pick this one. Go to edit post and I will see, oh, ignore the ads. Yeah, I'll just close the ad and I'll just see in my WordPress editor whether Grammarly is showing some suggestions or not. Let me see. My content is Grammarly checked though. It is checked for Grammarly, plagiarism, and all kind of SEO parameters that are to be followed before publishing your blog. So before we publish, we do all these kind of checks. So finding error is little difficult over here, but still there will be some suggestions. Okay, let me type anything for you. Let me see if Grammarly is showing some errors or suggestions. Yeah, see, here is a suggestion. It should be color and not color. So basically, my Grammarly is set to US language. So in US language or US English, obviously COLOR is the spelling. So the idea is to show you whether Grammarly is showing you the suggestions or not. So as soon as I've typed COLOUR over here, the Grammarly software has started to work. It is showing the correct spelling. So I'll just remove this part. I'll see if Grammarly is showing any other suggestions or not. So far it's good. So far it's good. Nothing as such. I'll just type anything for you. Let us see whether Grammarly is showing any suggestions. See, whenever there is a wrong word typed or a wrong letter typed or anything like that, Grammarly is starting to function and it is showing the correct suggestions. So I'll just quickly remove this part. Okay. So friends, I guess you got an idea like how to use Grammarly in your WordPress, and simultaneously you can just check your grammar issues while writing. If you can just simply download the extension and pin it to your browser. So if you are using Mozilla Firefox or Internet Explorer, you can do on those browsers as well. Similarly, you just need to log into your WordPress account where you are obviously publishing your blogs and writing. So as soon as you do that, you will start seeing the suggestions whenever a wrong word or maybe the comma or the full stop is typed in a wrong place, or the placement of the verb uh, or article is not correct. So you will start seeing the suggestions like that. So friends, this is the importance of Grammarly in WordPress, and we hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video, please like and share our video, subscribe to our channel Sandip Techfeed, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the latest notification. Also, for such useful tips and information regarding technology, you can follow our blog enchanttrickster.com. Thank you once again.